In this video, I'm going to show you how to add emojis to Outlook email. Now, currently I'm using the newest Outlook or newest version of Outlook, and it's actually made simpler. Now, here, what you are going to do is just click new, and then we're going to create a new email. And then once you're here, what you're going to do is just basically fill in all the necessary things here, like for example, the recipient. I'm just going to go ahead and try to use, say for example, okay, another mail of mine. This for example, and then for the subject I'm just going to go ahead and write here emojis, and then down below you can go ahead and basically write your message. Now after doing so, say for example you want to write or put an emoji here, what you can do is just head over here. You should be able to click this one, and then you should be able to see here all of the emojis available. Now you have, for example, people, you have animals and nature, and basically a lot more choices that you can do. Say for example, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this one. All right, there you go. And yep, that is how easy it is now to add an emojis here in Outlook.